Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can turn off parental controls on Epic Games. So at first come to Epic Games on Google into your account. After that click on this one and then tap on account where your profile is. This may take some time to load. Once it does, you can see over here it says an option called parental controls. Just tap on this one and it says you have to provide the 6-digit pin, so provide this one. But in case you don't know, just click on forgot your pin and then a reset URL would go to your account. So for now I'll just put on confirm. Now turn off this one, scroll down, select this to everybody, this one to everybody, and basically this is up to you, but I'll just uncheck this one too, and then there you go. This is basically how you can turn off parental controls on Epic Games. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.